What's going on, guys? Today I wanted to start a new weekly competition. Now I'm going to start this one 2 days early just because I want to announce it today. But I'm going to start doing weekly giveaways. Now, the giveaway winners from last week, I don't know if you guys saw the video. It hasn't been hitting sub boxes or notifications really, but make sure you turn notifications on. Just make sure they're still working. So the winners of the YouTube setup I did for the 100,000 subscriber giveaway were, first one is Jonathan, next is Harris, and then the next is JD. So any of these people, if you email me from these addresses, I'll ship out your prizes. Now, all you have to do is the first link in the description will be every week is I'm going to be doing a giveaway through a platform I like to use, and there's different ways you can enter. So each week there will be one winner, and you either win the Amazon Seller Mastery course, or if you're already enrolled in that or don't want it for some reason, you can win $100 cash. Now, there's multiple ways you can enter. You can enter as many times as you want with these, and some you can do and come back every single day. So all you gotta do is any of these, and you can see how many entries they are. So this will go towards your entries, and then total entries is everyone combined. Now, there's different things you can do. You can subscribe. If you're already subscribed, great. You can sign up for the newsletter. You can comment on a video. It'll take you straight to the link. You can watch one of the videos. You can answer a question about what you want to see from me. Very easy. Just click one of the little bubbles on there. Go to Instagram, Facebook. You can add a friend. You can add me on Snapchat. And you can come back for just daily bonus or follow me on Twitch. Now, right now, first 30 minutes this video is up. If you guys add me on Snapchat, I'll be replying to all messages I get from people who log in through here, and I can see they added me on Snapchat. I'll add you, and then if you send me a message, I'll send you one back answering whatever questions you have. So that's a little incentive for you guys to get started, but this is just something I wanted to start doing weekly, kind of as a thank you and fun little competition. Plus, it helps me as well with engagement when you guys watch or comment on videos. So I'm helping you, you guys are helping me, and it's kind of a fun little competition. Now, if you guys have any questions or any advice for me on what you want to see on this, are there certain prizes you want me to give away? No, I'm not giving away my car. Any prizes you want me to give away? Any ways you want to enter differently that you think would be better? Let me know, but I'll leave this as the first link in the description. And this will be happening every Monday. This will start, right now it says 7 days. I'm gonna go change this before I upload this. It'll be 9 days, so the winner will be picked next Monday, and I will be doing this every single week. And I'll be updating these and the different prizes depending on what kind of feedback you guys give me in the comments on this video. So hope you guys enjoy this little competition. Have fun with it, and make sure you go enter. And again, I will be replying to everyone that adds me in the first 30 minutes on Snapchat if you do send me a snap. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.